It's a 1950s Gamewell fire alarm box. It's complete. It does work. It comes actually with this bell that's fully complete, electrified, and is used in conjunction with this box, which I will now demonstrate. This box is from Cumberland, Maryland. Back in the day when these were found on just about every street corner. These boxes had a corresponding number. This one's 1256, which would ring to a dispatcher, or in this case a bell. It will ring one, twice, then 5 times, and then 6 times to let the dispatcher or the fire company know which corner they were needed. Obviously this box is still in excellent original condition. The former firefighter built this in his retirement years. Comes with the key. Take a look inside. First of all, it does have the pull down handle with the magnifying window. Pull this down. Inside, it's all complete as you would hope. Inner door. It's the inner mechanism. Now that's the cog that spins. It has 1, 2, 5, and then 6 rings. So what the fireman would do would then unlock this box and then wind it. One wind gives about, I don't know, maybe 5 or so activations. So this is no longer hooked up to this interior bell. It's hooked up and it can be plugged in to this bell board here, which we'll go ahead and do now and give you a demonstration. Alright, so go ahead and plug it in. Easy as that. And I'll plug in the bell board plug over here. And we'll put the switch on. Okay, so we're working, and then if someone were to pull the lever down and pull the switch, we'll activate the bell and ring to signal this box. There we go. There we go with 1 ring, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. So it goes through a cycle where it signals about 4 or 5 times to the dispatch, and then that cuts off. So if we were to close it back up again, and this would work unplugged too, just mechanically, then we could, pull the lever down and it would start over again. Very cool item. Very interesting piece. Key is included, and here the box is just signaling on its own mechanically. It'll run out in a second. These two items are together in this auction. Please bid. This is one of a kind piece of history, piece of fire history and American history, and just very cool the way it works in conjunction with this bell. Great alarm clock. Get your kids up for school. Thanks for looking. Bye. Gamewell fire alarm box, fully complete with working bell.